This is essentially plug-in power energy meter. First, set the unit cost. Press Set to enter the unit cost setting. Use Adjust button to adjust the flashing number and press Select to confirm and continue on the next digit. Repeat these steps until all 4 numbers are set as desired. Press Function button to quit. When the device is plugged in to the power source for the first time, LCD screen will show cumulative cost. Press the Function button to display unit cost in cost per kilowatt. Press the Function button to display cumulative power consumption in kilowatt hour. Press the Function button to display instant active power. Press the Function button to display instant apparent power. Press the Function button to display the instant voltage. Press the Function button to display the instant amperage. Press the Function button to display the grid frequency. Press the Function button to display the power factor. Press the Function button to display cost. Press R to reset the device. Cost will display on screen. When kilowatt hour value reaches 9999.99, press the Set button twice to enter the kilowatt hour setting page. Use Adjust button to adjust the flashing value and press Select button to confirm. To clear kilowatt hour, adjust all numbers to 0 and confirm. Cost value will also be clear if the kilowatt hour value is cleared. This device can be used to calculate your power consumption. For detailed information, please refer to the enclosed instructions.